Hello, this is Bryce with Adaptive Agriculture. Welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to go through a video today about grouping your devices. So it's a really cool feature that will help you manage different yards. Let's get right into it. So if we head over to our devices, we see there's one group with two devices in it. What we can do is go up to the top right hand corner and create a group. We'll call this one South Yard. And we can put the device number in it, which is 186. And there you go. You see South Yard 186. Then we'll do one called North Yard. And this one is 191. Just click Next and go to North Yard. Submit. And then we will refresh. Now we see North Yard, South Yard with their respective group numbers. What we can do here is go into the settings of this group and change this to all devices. And just click Submit again. Go back out to groups, and there you have it. That's how you make a device grouping. So that's pretty much all I have here for you today. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section down below. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe. And as always, have a fantastic day.